You have time? You have sight? What is your name?
Mihai.
Michael.
Yeah.
Ah, okay. Nice to meet you. Solo.
What is the problem?
Where are you from?
Romania.
Romania. This. What's the problem?
Yeah.
In
What
the
euro?
euro.
3.
3.
3.
Master truck driver. Yes, this is videos. Huh?
Google Translate.
Ah, okay. I give moment.
Toespreken. Spreken.
Okay. Just a moment. Italianish, huh?
Ja, Italian, Romanisch.
Ah, Romanish. Ah, okay. Sorry, I can't not Italish. I am a truck driver. I drive Milano, Torino, so much.
Ah, Milano, je truck Milano.
Ah,
Ja, arbeid in Milano hier.
okay. Italianish or Romanish?
Italianish,
Translate.
yeah.
Okay. This is my content.
Ja, oké.
It's okay, huh?
Okay.
And this is my YouTube channel. Ah, okay. You have time? You have sight? How long here stay? Here schlafen or go?
No, schlafen hier.
Ah, okay. What is your name?
Mihai.
Michael.
Yeah.
Ah, okay. Nice to meet you. This is your firma or are you
Firma
truck
Italisch.
driver?
No, firma Italisch.
Ah, Italian firma,
Yeah.
okay. You drive so much Italian and Romanian, or
Italian.
Italian,
Yeah.
okay. Austria?
Austria, Milano.
Ah, Austria, Milano,
Yeah.
okay.
Zurich, Milano. Hier, Zurich, Milano.
Okay. Michael, can I? Thank you. Oh, nice. Bodybuilding. It's okay, okay. This is your life, your room, huh? My. Nice Romansh. You stay here, sleeping here.
Yeah.
And how long come back your home? 1 month stay in truck.
No, house Milano.
A house Milano.
Yeah.
Oh, it's nice.
Hier slapen van truck.
Ah,
Here.
okay. And then tomorrow.
Milano, tomorrow, ja.
Tomorrow Milano.
Milano,
huh?
ja. Zurich, hier.
Ah, Zurich. You can Deutsch sprechen auch, huh?
No, no spreken, no.
Deutsch is schwer. Difficult.
Ja, difficult, ja. Non arbeid hier, no
Okay.
spreken.
Ah, no sprechen, ja.
No.
Ja. Italianisch.
Italianisch, ja.
I drive Italia 2 years. Milano, Torino. I am auch truck driver.
Ah, okay.
Italia is good
Ah, is
for
good.
driving. Yeah.
Anche Austria good, solo
Austria solo.
policy problem.
Oh, poliței, so much problem.
Yeah.
So much Strafe.
LKW Italy, stop.
Really?
Yeah.
Why?
I don't know.
Italia, huh?
Yeah.
Oh. Cooking.
Yeah, truck Italy, stop.
Türkei auch. Kommt Türkei.
Yeah.
Oh, this is problem. I know.
It's good. Control, niks problem.
Niks problem.
Yeah.
Everything is normal.
Yeah, normal.
Yeah, this is drive time
Yeah.
9 or 10 hours and then stop.
Yeah.
It's good. This is your truck and your routine, huh? Yeah, it's good. Mine is this bed little
No,
bit.
no,
not Scania.
It's fixed.
Okay. What's your favorite truck? Truck Scania, MAN.
No, Scania.
Volvo.
Scania is good.
Scania is good.
Yeah,
Better. I think it's
Scania,
better.
Volvo.
Scania or
MAN.
Volvo? MAN.
Scania.
Scania is
good,
better. Yeah.
MAN.
DAF.
It's good. DAF, no problem.
Yeah, it's so much problem. MAN not so much problem. Huh?
No.
Ah, it's okay.
It's good.
This is 2000. No, it's okay. 200
No.
441.
It's changed.
734.
Yeah.
It's okay. Not more 1 million
1 million,
kilometers.
okay.
It's okay.
Million view. Problem.
No, million people. Your telepass.
Yeah,
for
telepass
Italia.
international.
Really?
Yeah, Germany, Austria.
It's international. Can I stop? This is good.
Yeah.
It's better. New gekauft.
Yeah. Nike, Germany.
Germany in outlet or?
Outlet, yeah.
Outlet, yeah.
Stop here,
yeah.
stop.
This is this original or?
Yeah.
Oh.
No.
It's sale. Oh, so much.
Yeah.
This.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
This is elf, huh? This is original price, huh?
Yeah.
Where is this outlet? In Deutschland?
Deutschland,
Where is? Pieding, Stuttgart or?
No, Pieding.
Pieding. Yeah, I know.
Salzburg, Pieding.
Yeah, Pieding is better. Yeah, I know this. Yeah.
No. Pieding.
This is nice, huh?
Yes, good. Good.
Italian, sure?
Yeah, Italian.
Nice. Thanks so much.
Here water.
Water.
Că avea problem.
Waarom? Why?
Water giù per terra. Water problem.
Water problem.
Ja. Water in LKW.
In LKW.
Ja.
For motor? Or?
Motor, ja.
And morning.
Ja.
This is
Ja.
water.
Aqua.
This you drink aqua. This is
Aqua.
Toscana Italianisch, yeah?
Italianisch, ja.
It's good or?
Ja, is good.
Nice. How long make this?
2-0.
2-0.
Ja. Maar here.
How old are you? Your age? I am 33. 3-3.
Okay. 3-3.
You 3-3.
Yeah.
Really? It's same.
Ja.
It's same, brother.
1.
1.
9-9-1. No. 3-3.
I am Yun.
Yun. Are you from?
Cancer.
Are you from?
I am from Turkey.
Turkey?
Yeah. I live in Austria. 10 years stay in Austria. I have YouTube channel and make videos, YouTube videos. This is new content.
Okay.
Actually, I make my life in truck life. Truck life and cooking, essen, drinking, and my drive. This is everything. You can check.
Yeah, you
my
cooking LKW sandwich auto grill.
Thank you so much. Last question. you go tomorrow in Milano, eh?
30 pauza, go Milano.
Finish pause.
Yeah, finish.
9 hours. 9 hours and then go.
Yeah.
In the night.
Yeah.
I think night.
Yeah.
2 or 3 o'clock. Or
No. 1.
1 o'clock.
Yeah,
okay. It's nice. Sorry. Okay, brother. Nice to meet you. Thank you so much. And I make little bit in draußen videos and then I go. Yeah. Thank you so much. Oh.
Instagram.
DJ Romega.
Yeah, DJ. No.
You are not DJ. Eh?
Me hi.
Are you married?
Yeah.
You have kids?
Yeah. 3 children.
3 children. Oh, really?
Yeah.
I have 2 children.
In Romania, 3.
3. In Milano, eh?
No, Milano, no. Family Romania.
Family.
House Milano.
House Milano.
Milano, Romania family.
And how long you go your family?
You go Romania.
Okay, how long? 1 month, 1 month, 2 day.
2 days.
2 day in Romania. With truck go Romanian or?
No, car. Mercedes, car pickle, car.
With car, your car.
Yeah.
Your car is Mercedes.
Yeah. Milano go Romania.
Okay. How much the truck driver loan monthly in Italy? I think so, little bit more.
€0.
What? 7?
Yeah, €0.
Really?
Yeah.
In Romania, 1 month.
Yeah.
Italy? In Italy, your truck driver monthly 2,500.
Italy, euro. 3.
3?
0.
300.
Yeah, 300.
Yeah.
1 month.
Yeah. No, 1 month. Yeah.
300, this is so little.
Romania,
7.
null. Poco.
Poco.
Yeah.
I think 1. I think 2.
Yeah.
0, 0, 0
Yeah. In Italy. Yeah.
in Italy.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Or 2, 5, 0, 0.
No.
2,
Yeah.
0,
Yeah.
0,
Yeah. Stop.
200.
Yeah, yeah.
Little, poquito.
Yeah.
This is Romanish firma or Italian?
Firma şey Romanish. Yeah.
Ah, Romanish.
Yeah.
1 month you take 500, 600.
Yeah.
This is so ganz wenig. Brother. You stay in truck?
Yeah. Ma, Morgan, tomorrow,
Okay.
house, Milano.
House Milano.
Yeah, yeah.
Bir ayda sadece 2000 euro mu kazanıyorsunuz yoksa 700 euro mu?
No. In Italy, 3,
3?
0, 0, 0.
3000.
Yeah,
It's
yeah.
better, it's good.
Yeah,
It's good, not bad.
yeah, yeah.
Not
It's
poquito, it's good.
good, yeah.
You take 300. Yeah, it's good, it's okay. I think 5 or 322. This is ganz wenig.
Yeah.
It's okay. Thank you, brother.
Ciao.
Ciao.